Hello everyone, today we are talking about the word once in English. It's a tiny word but it can do some big things. Let's break it down. First up, once as an adverb of time. For example, I visited Paris once in my life. That means I visited Paris one time. Easy, right? Once can also function as a conjunction. It connects two events or ideas in the past or the future. Once I finish my work, I'll go to the gym. Let's talk about using once in conditional sentences. Once can be used to the express condition that must be fulfilled before something else can happen. A great example is once you pass the driving test, you will get your license. Sometimes once is used for emphasis. It's emphasized the uniqueness or rarity of an event or situation. For instance, the view from the mountain top is a once in a lifetime experience. Once is part of many proverbs and idiomatic expressions. They offer wisdom and advice. One classic example is once bitten, twice shy. It means you become curious after bad experience. Once is not just for daily conversations, it's often used in songs, poetry, and literature to add nostalgia and longing. Think of praise like once upon a time in a faraway land. So next time you are reading a book or having a conversation, pay attention to how once is being used. It might just surprise you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, remember once is a tiny word with a big impact. Take care and keep having fun with your English. Bye.